giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That flow, that spark, that crowd.
Yeah, people, we have a situation. The problem is, today I'm outside and people are really looking at us and see what the hell. I don't even know what's going on, but this is ridiculous. People are really looking at us because we have dead chairs outside.
I'm seriously about to get myself in here.
Well, yeah, they're gonna fall and I'm not gonna reserve in the car accident, so what am I supposed to do? I mean, yo, seriously, what are we doing? You know this is outside in public, right? I can't hold this man. Yeah, so this is what my sister looks like in real life, but I can't show my face yet, so I still have to.
I can't show my face either. I hurt my elbow.
It's damn hurting my arms.
I'm gonna have to hold my arms and
Wow, look at this. Look at that. I'm not enjoying it at all.
we're gonna go. We're getting a car accident. I'm literally gonna burst my hand.
It's pretty raining in New Jersey, everybody.
I'm gonna
So.
break my goddamn arm.
Yep, in public we are with this team. Yep. No, mami, así es. No, mami, así es, va a caer.
No, mamá. Déjala, no se cae.
Sí, va a caer, mi mami está allá afuera, pero yo está mirando.
No se cae, mamá. Déjala, déjala.
Sí, va a caer, mami, sí.
No, va amarrada con 3 pitas.
It's
Vamos a amarrarla, ¿ok?
anyway. It's not tight enough to
No, mami, no se cae. Siéntese.
No.
Siéntate, amor.
No. Come on.
No, puedo.
Yeah, pretty much like that.
Yeah, pretty much I'm about to break my goddamn twinkie fingers. My lucky twinkie fingers. And I'm going to tell people that I'm gonna about to twink my twinkie fingers.
Yep, you're twinging your fingers.
I'm gonna do it with my twinkie fingers. Ah! Using the power of my twinkie fingers. There we go.
You love it.
I'm going to break my
Oh, I think it's coming up a little.
purse. Using my flatbed power to protect this chair.
It's ridiculous, but it's pretty much in public and I'm not liking it. But don't worry, it's gonna come down, so I'm not gonna win.
When this light turns red, when this light turns red, I'm gonna do it myself.
I'm gonna help you out. It's got a twist in my neck. You're not enjoying it, right?
Get my twinkie fingers.
Pretty rainy outside, so I don't care.
Twinkie my goddamn fingers.
No,
I'm about to die because of my twinkie fingers. My 3 twinkie fingers. I mean, 3 twinkie fingers. They're about to die right there. My 3 twinkie fingers. Yeah, clap those hands. 2 twinkie fingers. Yeah, I'm going to put my twinkie fingers. So, everybody. There we go. I finally broke my twinkie fingers.
Twinkie fingers.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put goddamn stupid ass chain.
Watch your mouth. Watch
Well,
your
my
mouth.
twinkie fingers are broken.
Watch your mouth.
They're broken. And here's my twinkie fingers, they said.
Okay.
So people, would you have the situation, please use your twinkie fingers, your 3 twinkie fingers. They want to suffer like mine. Also coronavirus, so. There we go. Now back to twisting my twinkie finger. Woo,
I'm not gonna lie, people are looking at us.
Yeah, people are looking at my twinkie fingers about to break down. Woohoo! This is the time for me to press my 3 Timboo.
Well, say goodbye to the world.